Good morning, class first. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So this is your maths period. So take out your maths notebook and your stationery. Now put today's date, 22nd of July 2020. Then write down classwork. Then write down the heading. NUMBER, number. NAMES, number names. Okay, underline it. '81 to 90. Yesterday we had done till 80. Today we will do from 81. Okay. Now write down TO. 81. 81. What is the spelling of 80? Yes. EIGHTY. 81. After 81, 8 to 82. What is the spelling of 82? EIGHTY. 80. TWO2. 82. Repeat after me. EIGHTY. 80. TWO2. 82. Done. After 82, 83. 83. Now what is the spelling of 83? Write with me. EIGHTY. 80. THREE. 83. Repeat after me. EIGHTY. 80. THREE. 83. Next, 84. Now what is the spelling of 84? Write with me. EIGHTY. 80. FOUR. 84. Repeat after me. EIGHTY. 80. FOUR. 84. Then 85. 85. Now what is the spelling of 85? Write with me. EIGHTY. 80. FIVE. 85. Repeat after me. EIGHTY. 80. FIVE. 85. Done. Now 86. Now what is the spelling of 86? Write with me. EIGHTY. 80. SIX. 86. Repeat after me. EIGHTYAT SIX 86. Then 87 87. What is the spelling of 87? EIGHTYAT SEVEN 7 87. Repeat after me. EIGHTYAT SEVEN 7. Now after 87, 88. What is the spelling of 88? EIGHTYAT 88. Repeat again. EIGHTYAT 8. Now after 88, 89. So EIGHTYAT NINE 9. Repeat after me. EIGHTYAT NINE 9. And after 89, 90. Now what is the spelling of 90? Tell me, children. NINETY NINETY 90. Repeat after me. NINETY 90. Done. Now children, mark your homework for today, okay? Note down today's homework. Write down homework. Write down the heading number names. Then write 91 to 100. Okay. Then write HTO. 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95, 96 96, 97 97, 98 98, 99 99 and 100 100. So this is your homework. You have to write the number names from 91 to 100. Okay. Now children, tell me, what is the spelling of 100? What is the spelling of 100? What is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED 100. Repeat after me. HUNDRED 100. Repeat again. HUNDRED 100. Repeat again. HUNDRED 100. Repeat again. HUNDRED 100. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.